Hey, what's up, traders? Mike here with the watch list video for, let me get this right, Thursday, January 4th. We're finally seeing a little bit of selling in the market. The SPY's down to the 20-day. My bounce play scan brought up a whole bunch of charts, but I only chose one as a possible bounce play going into tomorrow. And then we'll talk about probably seeing some more bounce plays if we get one more down day. But a lot of times when the overall market does the same thing, you end up with a lot of stocks with the same looking chart. And I try to find stuff that, that are standing out a little bit, right? So anyway, there's the SPY. What are we watching for tomorrow for hopefully some day trades? I don't love this, but ABVC had good news, right? And it gapped up, closed below its open. But I do want to watch it. Had massive volume today. LBPH. Big rip yesterday, took out yesterday's high today, but then ended up going out at the lows. I'm going to kind of treat that like a bounce play if we get a setup tomorrow. AEVA, penny stock, just broke a buck today, but nice volume, so we're going to watch that one tomorrow. MTC, it looks like it topped at exactly 2, I think, so that makes that a little bit more interesting. We like whole number inflection points, but I'm not sure why that thing ran. I think it's just a low float. Maybe Chinese stock, but I'm not positive. ZIM broke this recent high today. We had it on watch coming into today. So that one is might be affected by the shipping rates too, which might be why it's running. So I don't anticipate that getting better anytime soon. So maybe that one will keep going. POL, just a quiet inside day. UPST, that's the one I went ahead and threw on bounce watch. It's down straight 4 days in a row. Again, many stocks are like that, so we'll see. I just wanted to throw one, and there's a lot of shorts in that one, so we'll see. This is my favorite chart going into tomorrow. SIDU had the big rip, 2 days lower, and a big rip today. Massive volume on both of those green days. So best looking chart out of everything going into tomorrow. BBLG had a big 2-day run, came back down, and is starting to curl back up. Nice volume today. VYGR, after it gapped up, popped, and then went out at the lows, it's surprising, right, to see this kind of strength the next day. So you may have some shorts in trouble. So I do kind of like the looks of this one too. KNSA, let me pan out a little bit here. Well, it's not really worth it. Anyway, nice pop today and another high from back in, looks like maybe July. Not that far above. So that one may be interesting. I wanted to throw one Bitcoin play on watch. He had the big 2-day sell-off and a gap down and a nice pop today. So maybe a continuation of today's bounce tomorrow. And then lastly, JFBR, which isn't that interesting, closed at 315. Hang on a second. JFBR. Let me see where it went. In after hours, it went out at 425. So it's popping in after hours. If it's still gapping in the morning, we'll add that to the list. And then let me finish the video in case you haven't seen this. Pause the video and read that in case you're seeing this video for the first time. I'm a day trader is the short version of that, all right? Anyway, have a great night. Excuse me, and we'll see everybody in the chat room in the morning.